Welcome to the Adobe Connect Basics tutorial. Let's begin by opening Firefox. Inside of Firefox, let's browse to breeze.biola.edu/test. You'll be brought to a basic classroom very similar to the one you see here. Let's begin by clicking on Meeting, go to Manage My Settings, and let's look at My Connection Speed. You'll see modem, DSL cable, and LAN. LAN should be selected by default, but if ever you notice the audio in the classroom or the functionality of the classroom acting slowly or the audio falling behind, you can choose DSL cable or modem. What this will do is compress the audio more so you can receive the audio signal faster. Let's go ahead and leave it on LAN now because it seems to be working properly. Just below My Connection Speed, you'll see the Audio Setup Wizard. This is where you'll go if you need to set up your microphone or set up your headphones. Feel free to come into the classroom and run the Audio Setup Wizard at any time, as this is a great way to test your equipment. It's also a great way to troubleshoot any problems you may be having with your microphone or headphones. Okay, let's look at the attendee list on the left-hand side of the screen. Currently, I'm the only one in the classroom, but you'll see each attendee of the classroom on the left-hand side. At the top, you'll see My Status. I'm currently active. I'm going to click on My Status, and I can choose a handful of different options for My Status. This is just a convenient way to let your tutor know what's going on with you. Just below the attendee list down at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen is another Status Options icon. Go ahead and click that, and you'll also see the same options as we saw above. To the right of the status icon at the bottom, you'll see the Talk button. If I just hover over the word Talk, you'll see the words Hold to Talk appear. And if I hover over the right side with the little lock icon, you'll see the words Hands Free appear. In most cases, we recommend you use the Hold to Talk portion of the button. This works like a walkie-talkie, where when you click, your microphone turns on, and you release, your microphone turns off. The hands-free portion, the lock icon, locks your microphone in the on position until you click it again. This is great for if you're reading a book aloud to the class, or if you need to navigate to a different web page while still using your microphone. To the right-hand side of the microphone options there is the Voice Options drop-down menu. If you click that, you'll see high volume, medium volume, low volume. This is just a quick way to adjust the volume of your microphone if you need to do so. Alright, let's move to the top center of the screen. You'll see the whiteboard. Your tutor may use the whiteboard to draw shapes or diagrams, whatever needs to be used in the classroom. This pod can also be transformed into a handful of different things. You may see a notes pod put there, a poll, file sharing pod put there, or web links put there, sometimes even a presentation pod. I'm not going to show you those now, but just keep those in mind. Just below the whiteboard pod, you'll see the chat pod. Basically, all you do is enter some text and hit return, and your chat will go live. But if you ever like to chat to one of the other students in the classroom or to your tutor directly, to the bottom right-hand corner there's a drop-down menu where you can choose who you would like to chat with. Just keep in mind when chatting directly with another student or with your tutor, Tutor Academy, myself, and your tutor can see all chats that take place. Alright, let's look at the Notes pod on the right-hand side of the screen. The Notes pod is where your tutor is going to be posting links, notes for the class, and any important information they need you to see. And sometimes, just below the Note pod, your tutor may have a poll. For example, do you like ice cream? Yes. Alright, thanks for joining me today for the Adobe Connect Basics. If you have any questions, please see our website at youth.biola.edu/help or call the Tutor Academy Help Desk.